Stephen, Disney, I am very upset. I used check it in my bank statement and noticed I was the charter trying for this subject yesterday. Suddenly, I am terribly sorry for that inconvenience, sir. May I please see your receipt and the transaction record on your phone? Student, here they are. It is clearly a mistake by your staff. I would like a refund in cash immediately. Student B, I have checked all system and you're right. However, our store policy only allows refunds to be processed back to the origin credit card. Suddenly, such frustrating. Can't you make an exception? I need the money now. Simply, I apologize, but the system doesn't allow cash for card transaction. I have processed the reserve, sir. Now, it should appear you in your account within 3 days.